Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to grow your construction company with SEO in 2024. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business, including construction companies. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the key to improving your visibility and attracting more potential clients. Step 1. Optimize your website. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile-responsive, and loads quickly. Use relevant keywords throughout your website's content to improve its ranking on search engines. Step 2. Conduct keyword research. Identify the keywords your target audience is using to search for construction services. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find high-volume, low-competition keywords relevant to your business. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Produce informative and engaging content related to construction, such as blog posts, articles, and how-to guides. This will not only attract potential clients, but also establish your company as an industry authority. Step 4. Build quality backlinks. Earn backlinks from reputable websites in the construction industry. This will improve your website's authority and credibility, ultimately boosting its ranking on search engine results pages. Step 5. Optimize for local SEO. Optimize your website for local searches by including your business's name, address, and phone number, NAP, on every page. Create a Google My Business listing and encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews. Step 6. Track and analyze results. Monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Track key metrics such as organic traffic, conversion rates, and keyword rankings to measure the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. Conclusion: by following these steps, you can grow your construction company's online presence and attract more clients through SEO in 2024. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so stay proactive and adapt to changes in search engine algorithms. For more tips and tricks on growing your construction company with SEO, visit www.indeedco.com.